PSA-80 PRO by Omnirobotic.
I'm Sandy, Omnirobotic's AI sanding specialist. In this video, I'll walk you through how our APC Automatic Pitch Control feature keeps the sander perfectly flat on every door. Each time you replace the sander, the PSA-80 PRO automatically measures the sanding pad's roll, pitch, and yaw with 0.1 degree laser accuracy. No manual tune-ups, ever. Its built-in automatic tool calibration continuously reorients the tool with the same precision, keeping your production smooth and consistent, year after year. With true 3D vision, the robot understands each door's exact position, orientation, and shape. It doesn't assume doors are level, it measures reality. Even if a door is slightly warped or tilted, the PSA-80 PRO aligns the sanding pad perfectly. The result? Consistent, flawless finishes every time. Want to see it in action on your own door styles? Book your demo today.